What's up guys, me Geek. Here's my A6400. So I bought the best lens. Personally, I was going to buy the Sony 50mm OSS for the E-Mount APS-C core, but they were selling the FE version, which make is like 75mm. So I went with the Sigma. This is the best lens on the Sony E-Mount. So this comes with a 3-year warranty. It have a 55-meter thread. Okay, when I was buying, I think I also bought the BW. I forgot the BW. Yeah, the BW filter. I asked the shopkeeper to install it because, yeah, I mean, because I bought this one with this one, but this video is about this one. Okay, let me open it. Okay, let me take out. Okay, here's the lens. Let me put aside. Okay, it does not come with a case sadly, but it comes with a lens hood, which is a good thing. As you can see, this is the made in Germany. I already put it. Okay, lens hood will be later. Okay, here's from the back. First I wanna take this one off, my E-Mount. Okay, now line the white dot. Okay, here we go. So here's the lens element from the front. Let me remove this one. Okay, I wanna put inside this one. Okay, here we go. I was going to buy from Amazon, but Amazon, a lot of people are complaining they're selling the counterfeit on Amazon, because Amazon is now one of the crappy website, I think. So they do not care if someone sells a genuine or a counterfeit. Okay, now you can see. Okay, wow, I mean, look at the blade. Wow, can you see? Okay, right now are we where we are? Okay, we are at 4. Let me wide open it. Okay, wow, can you see? Let me close down. Wow, can you see that? Sigma do not send me. Personally, I think I should become a Sigma ambassador or some kind of that. I mean, Sigma should literally sponsor me. I mean, wow, 1.4 Boca. Give me some Boca. Boca. I mean, why a lot of crap you do not show this one? I mean, wow. So this is 1.4, the bigger the aperture. Okay, yeah, I just use my photography. The bigger aperture opening, the better bokeh, more shallow depth of field. The smaller aperture, narrow, less depth of field, everything in focus. The build quality is amazing. Okay, now let me remove this thing. Okay, here we go. Let me put this one back. Okay, now I want to talk about the build quality. First thing, the build quality is amazing. This thing is built like a tank, made in Japan. My love from Japan. This thing, personally, this is the best lens ever I held in my life. This lens currently you can get on the MFT. Where's my MFT mount? My friend, someone say I want the sharper lens. Okay, this is my Panasonic camera. You can get for Panasonic same. I mean, 56mm also you can get for Canon EOS M, Canon M50, the M100, M6 Mark II. Yeah, that kind of camera. Now let me go out, capture some images, and then show you the images and video quality. Personally, my camera does not have a stabilizer, so the video is gonna be shaky, but I am focusing on the images. Let's go out.